best TikTok video ideas to boost your brand. Since its launch, TikTok promoted a brief viewing of videos, which made the application very popular among young people. According to statistics, they show that 500 million young people have become fans of watching 15 seconds of TikTok. No matter whether your reason is to have fun or gain followers, what we do know is that TikTok, with its millions of fans, is the right platform for them to see you or to boost your brand. Here we present the best ideas of TikTok so that your brand has great and excellent momentum. Lip sync video. Music is a source of inspiration throughout the world. Music transports us, elevates our mood, and makes us dream. A song is also inspiring and drives you to create. Use your creativity. Experiment with lip sync videos and let others see your performance. Video duet. Duet videos are very popular among YouTubers. Knowing this, we invite you to try this excellent idea. To create duet videos, we just have to open the video from where you want to create the duet. Touch the share icon and select duet, and now you can make the video you want and as you wish. Pet video. Who doesn't love pets? Most people have a pet, a little bird, a beautiful cat or dog. If you have a beautiful pet and you are a person who loves to make videos with them or promote the sale of pets, use this tool, which will help you capture the best and most beautiful moments with them. Imitating other popular videos. On social networks, we can watch a lot of videos on a daily basis, which for some reason becomes very popular. If we want our videos to be popular too, then we choose the same theme or a similar performance. Keep up with the trend. A great idea for a video to be in trend is to do it about an important event that is happening or that will happen. For example, if the film festival is celebrated in your city, then make a video about this event, how it was developed, and what was the most relevant thing that happened in it. Or if you saw a video that got thousands of views, make one similar to that. Show your skills. Another excellent idea to show what makes you so unique and special is to show your skills. As for example, if you know how to cook, then make a video where you show yourself preparing a delicious cake. Improvised videos. It's happened to us that we are in a place and we see something very funny happen, or we see something incredible but we can't capture the moment because we didn't have a camera ready. Then always have your camera ready for when you encounter these unrepeatable moments, as you will surely stumble upon one of them. Travels. Millions of people travel around the world, and others travel through videos. Then record the panoramic views of the people you know. These will be loved by all your followers. Additional tips to make your videos more popular on TikTok. Publish regularly and give strength to your publications. You can publish your videos on TikTok once or twice a week. Connect with other influencers, as they can help you improve your posts and get more followers. Always share your videos on social networks you have. This will increase your views. You can also mention your TikTok profile link or your nickname on other social networks so you will get more followers. Try to show positive things in your videos, since the public does not like negative videos. The public likes things that will brighten their day. Comment on the videos of others. By doing so, your videos will also receive more comments. Respond to each comment made by your followers, and in doing so, do it generously, respectfully. Be interesting and fun when responding.